Hi there, my name's John Cant, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic image from English into Russian. So this is the English version and this is the Russian. We're going to use Google Translate and Redacre to do it. So this is the Redacre app, which is an image translation tool, and we're going to open up the image that we want to translate. So this is the original English version. So as you can see, it's put these black boxes around the text where the text has been recognized. Now we don't need to translate this information here, so I'm just going to deselect that and I'll click confirm. Now we're left with these two boxes of text with the green outlines around them, so we will translate those. There's an option to use either Google or human translation, so the app integrates with a human translation service called Gengo, which has hundreds of qualified, native speaking, professional translators on standby to do the translation work for you if you want really high quality and verified translation work. If you want speed and a good price, then then use Google. I'm just going to use Google in this case just for speed because it's a bit faster. With the human translation version, it usually takes about an hour or so for us to do the translation work. We select the target language we want, which in this case I'm going to do Russian, and then we click confirm. Now you can see the text has been removed from the image straight away and it's cleaned it up nicely. So we just click next here and now it's pulled in the Russian text. You can see it's tried to match the font size and color. So it's pulled it in as white text and the font size is similar to how it was before. We just need to do a little bit of adjustment. So I'll make this full width. I'm going to centralize it, make it a little bit bigger, make it bold. Bold made it over two lines again, so I'll just make it slightly smaller. Likewise with this, I'm just going to stretch it out over the full area, centralize it, make it a bit bigger, make it bold. And yeah, let's compare with the original. So we've got this layer option, which shows the original underneath as a background layer. Now you can see that the Russian text is pretty much on top of the English. So I'm happy with that, so I just export it to my computer. And that's how to translate an infographic image file from English into Russian. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacre.co.